bag. It is my bag. It is a small bag. It is very beautiful. It is made of cloth. I keep my books and it. I also keep pencil sharpener and laser and it is very useful. I keep it in my home. I bought it from Bazaar. Its price is 300 rupees. I take care of it. I like my Zama bag basta. It the basta is my Zama bag basta. It the basta is the Asma. It the basta is the Asma. Bada bag basta. It the basta is the very beautiful. It the basta is the made जोड़े शहदाब क्लब the कपड़े ना आई दो की दम my पर books किताबों ना and it परिवर्तक के आई दो also home keep them pencil sharpener and out laser and it परिवर्तक के it is very useful इस्तेमालों I do keep them it the vasta in my home bakpar kurki I ma but agaita it the vasta from bazar the bazar na it praise the libasti कीमत is the 300 rupees 300 rupees I do take care the ख्याल जातम आप it the basti I do like wow